Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2017 Toyota RAV4. So from any screen, if you go to, you've got car there, nav and setup. If you click on nav, if it doesn't come up on that screen for any reason, if it comes up on the map, just click nav again, and you've got homework, 112, whatever that is, enter address and so on, points of interest. So we click on enter address, postcode. Right, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantondale, Preston, PR5. We need a space, so space 4JS. Then we have to just click, even though we just typed it in, we've got to click to say yes, and then click to say calculate route. I'm calculating your fastest route, route options, and you've got go down here. So you have to tell it several times the same thing, but it'll get you there. If you see there's a speaker with a red cross there, so that's off. So we'll just knock it back on, and it'll give you verbal instructions as well. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Toyota RAV4. It's not as straightforward as you might think. I'll show you why. So from any screen, if you click the telephone button, which is the telephone up here, click on that, and it says, sorry, you have no Bluetooth phone connected. Would you like to connect one now? Well, you would think you want to delete one, so you'd click no, but if you click no, well, I'll click no, it just takes you back. So back in, sorry, you have no Bluetooth phone connected. Would you like to connect one now? Yes. Well, I don't, but it shows that it shows then all the phones that are or have been or are able to connect. So click on Barry's iPhone, which is the one I want to delete, and there you go, delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, connect for internet, or connect all. But I want to delete the pairing. Do you want to delete pairing for Barry's iPhone 11? Yes. So that's it. That's how you delete it. As I say, it's not how my mind would work, but obviously Toyota know better. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Toyota RAV4. First thing we do is make sure Bluetooth's on your phone. Then we're watching out at the bottom here. I'll just show you from any screen onto telephone, and there you go. It's at the moment it's got, sorry, you have no Bluetooth phone connected. Would you like to connect one now? Yes. Bluetooth search device. So it's searching. It's pretty quick as well. It's brought up my phone straight away. Probably one of the fastest systems I've used. So we click on the phone you want to connect. But it says there you might need this pin 0000, but it's automatically generated another pin. Rather than you having to click 000 on this and then pair, you just accept this automatically generated passkey. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow Toyota Touch 2 with Go connected. That's it. I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Toyota RAV4. If we go to music, it used to be called iTunes, now it's called music. Go to the bottom there and you'll see Toyota Touch 2. There's a tick next to it. That means whatever was playing on our phone, if we've got the right buttons pressed on the audio system, the music, the sound from here, whether it be YouTube sound or Spotify, will come through your system. So if we go to media, you'll see there it's already on the record that's playing, but there's a possibility that it could be on something else. I'll just put it on auxiliary, for instance. So this wouldn't play through that. We'll just go back, nav. So we go to media and it's on auxiliary. You want Bluetooth. So you click that little button in the bottom, then you select Bluetooth. That's showing this record. I'll turn this up. And then I'll put some volume on it here. And that's it. That's how you stream audio through the system, and it's a good system too. So thanks for watching.